See, if you want to stop your tablets and insulin, there is only one way. We must eat our home food in a balanced form with correct amount of protein, fat, vitamins, minerals and carbohydrates. If you want to know more about this balanced diet chart, call me at 944-2407-418. There is only one way if you want to stop your tablets and insulin. Okay, I have a good news for you. I reduced 70 kgs for this boy. 140 to 70 kgs, but total 70 kg. No protein powder, no tablets, no running, no skipping, no gym, no bariatric surgery, nothing. I just gave my balanced diet chart. That's all. That's all I have given. If you want to reduce your overweight, please call me, okay? Stay tuned with Dr. Shiban.